Welcome back to Ferndale. As you can see, it's fall, and I don't travel as much in the fall. I want to tell you about my recent summer road trip. I'm on a road trip from San Francisco all the way to Eureka. On this road trip, I visited national parks and state parks. I went to Redwoods National Park. Here, I was surrounded by gigantic redwoods. Look what I found! It's a banana peel slug. They're not venomous and they do not bite. This is the biggest tree in the whole park. This tree's estimated age is about 1,500 years. The circumference of this tree is 74.7 feet. This tree is about 300 feet tall. The diameter of this giant is a little bit over 23 feet. I also had a chance to see Glass Beach, which is located near Fort Bragg. The beach is covered in glass, in colorful glass. The colors may include blue, green, white, and brown. We also visited Ferndale, which is located in Humboldt County in California. It's similar to Eureka and it has many Victorian-style homes. find a cheese-making factory in the small town of Loleta. watching. Please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.